All right, so what we're doing today is we are setting up an array of switches, a switching array as I call it, for two exhaust fans. You see one of them straight up above us with its disconnect and feeder pipe and all that. And then a pipe running down below to a junction box, which not only feeds down to the, there it is, switching array, but also across behind that wall to the other exhaust fan way on the other side. Our original plan was to have a 277 volt rated toggle switch right here, so the customer could turn on the fans with a 3-pole contactor right here, 277 volt coil. Always look for the coil voltage because that matters quite a bit. 277 volt coil to be controlled from the 277 volt switch, and a 24 volt coil contactor, which was going to be controlled from this 24 volt thermostat, which the HVAC guy here kept promising me. And that's why we have here two contactors, one 24 volt coil to feed from the thermostat, one 277 volt coil to control from the toggle switch. And right here you see a transformer, a 480 volt to 24 volt transformer. And you can see that I have fed it off of two legs of the 480 volt circuit, single phase. Two legs off 480 is 480 single phase, right? So here's one wire, here's another. If I remember correctly, the white is the common for this transformer, and the blue is the 480. Going into the transformer, and then coming out the other end, the secondary side of the transformer, we have our 24 volt right here, feeding down to the thermostat. Essentially that's hot and switch leg. And then the white wire, number 16 wire, control wire, goes to the coil of our 24 volt coil contactor right there. I hope I'm not running out of time here. But in the end, the HVAC guy never brought us anything but excuses, so I ended up having to dig through our warehouse and find this line voltage 277 volt thermostat, which I'm going to use here instead. And fortunately, when we pulled the circuit, we pulled a neutral, and so that neutral is going to help not only with the 277 volt switch, but now the line voltage 277 volt thermostat, which means that I no longer need this 3-pole 24 volt coil contactor, and I also no longer need this 480 single phase down to 24 volt transformer. Get rid of quite a bit of stuff in there and need only the 277 volt coil 3-pole contactor here to control those exhaust fans from two different switches: toggle switch, which is manual, and thermostat, which is automatic.